Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can delete your Klarna account. Now you may have used Klarna in the past and decided it's not for you, or you could just keep using it and be worried you're not going to be able to pay stuff back. So I'm going to guide you through the way in which we can actually delete our Klarna account right now. So to start with, you first want to open the app. So once you've got the app open, you want to make sure you're signed in too. So go into the bottom right corner and just check your account and make sure you are actually signed in. And you want to make sure you're on the right account if you have multiple. Now, what you want to do from here is go to the top right corner where you can find that cog. And this takes you to your settings. Now from here, we just want to go to customer service. Once you're on customer service, it gives you a range of different options. However, we're going to choose delivery, return and cancellation, which you can find here. So once you've clicked on this, you just want to scroll down to the bottom. And one of the options says, I need help with something else. So we click on that. And we just want to select contact us. So it gives us two different options. One is to leave a message, but that's not currently enabled. I'm guessing that's only active during certain times. And the other option is start a live chat. Now I'm not going to actually start a live chat because I don't need to delete my account. But if I was going to, I'd click this bottom button here and then you'll be put in contact with a support agent. So from there, when you're connected with them, you basically just want to tell them that you want to delete your account and give them the reasons why. Unfortunately, this is the only way you can delete your account. There's no option in the settings to delete it. And this is so people don't delete their accounts and run off with money. So once you've messaged them and requested your account to be deleted, they will reply to you. And basically, if you are eligible to have your account deleted, they will go ahead and delete your account for you. So I hope you found this video helpful and hope you successfully managed to delete your Klarna account. If you did, please comment down below to say that helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.